Wideband low-noise proton magnetometer operation video. The standard configuration of the ACZ-8 wideband low-noise proton magnetometer includes main unit, sensor pole, packaging box, accessories, and software. When in use, assemble the sensor pole. Mount the sensor onto the sensor pole. Then, connect the sensor to the main unit. You can now proceed with measurements. The measurement method is as follows. Set up a fixed observation point at a location near the measurement area where the magnetic field is relatively stable, which is known as the daily variation observation base station. Carry another unit to perform roving measurements along the measurement line. First, set up the base station unit. Turn on the unit and select the Set the Date option. Set it to Auto Update. Then return to the main screen and select Set the Param. The machine ID is used to distinguish this instrument from others. The area ID is used to name the measurement area. The operator refers to the ID or code of the person operating the instrument. The direction refers to the direction of the measurement line layout. The unit is degrees, north is 0 degrees, and the direction is calculated clockwise. For example, east is 90 degrees. And so on, with a range of 0 to 360 degrees. The line dist refers to the spacing between measurement lines. The point dist refers to the spacing between measurement points along the same line. Pixie has two modes, auto and lock. You can switch between auto and lock by pressing the number 0 key. In auto mode, the unit will automatically track and adjust based on the current field value. Lock mode is primarily used in cases with large geomagnetic gradient changes, allowing for manual tuning to achieve more consistent readings. Test mode has two modes, auto and single. You can switch between the modes by pressing the number 0 key. Auto mode is typically used for daily variation observation at fixed points. Single mode is used for point-by-point measurement in the measurement area. Initial val. The Earth's magnetic field value changes with different geographic coordinates. The local Earth's magnetic field should be set as the initial value. For example, the Earth's magnetic field value in Shanghai is approximately 48,000 NT. Test int is used to set the instrument's reading interval in seconds when test mode is set to auto mode. This has no meaning when test mode is set to single. For the base station unit, test mode should be set to auto. Other parameters can be set according to actual needs. After setting up, return to the home page and select Create a new file. Input file ID. For daily variation observation, file names can only be set from 00 to 007. Press OK. Press Sir. The base station unit is now set up. Next, set the parameters for the roving unit. Turn on the unit. Set the date and time. Then return to the main screen and select Set the Param. Set test mode to single. Set other parameters as needed. After setting up, press OK to return to the main menu. Before measuring, create a new file. Press the OK key and assign a numeric name to the measurement line file. In auto mode, the file naming range is 00 to 007. In single mode, the file naming range is 08 to 499. Input the point increment. After setting, press OK to enter the measurement screen. Start measuring. Mark the measurement points within the measurement area. Pull out a tape measure. Mark each measurement point. Now, begin the measurement. First, Go to the first point. The sensor pole should touch the ground. The sensor should be placed horizontally and perpendicular to the measurement line. Press the SIR button to acquire measurement data. Move the cursor on the screen to save. Press OK to save, completing the data collection for the first measurement point, then move to the second point. Press SIR to measure the data at the second point. Repeat this process to complete data collection for the entire measurement line. In the same way, measure the second measurement line. Pull out the tape measure, mark the points, and collect the data for each measurement point. And so on, until all measurement lines are completed. After all measurements are complete, connect the USB drive and export the data. On the main screen of the main unit, move the cursor to export the file. Press OK. Select a way to export the file. Enter the file name. Press OK to export the corresponding file data. Using professional data processing software, the data can be visualized to analyze underground conditions. Precautions: when measuring each point, always save the data before moving to the next measurement point. At each measurement point, the direction of the sensor should remain unchanged. Operators should not wear magnetic materials, for example, mobile phones, keys while measuring. The starting point and direction of each measurement line should remain consistent. The number of measurement points and the spacing between points should be consistent across measurement lines. Maintain consistent spacing between measurement lines when measuring in large areas. Use the instrument's built-in GPS for positioning or other positioning devices to help with location.